In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a section break in Microsoft Word. If you've ever had a document behave strangely with sudden changes in headers, footers, or page layouts, a section break is often the reason. The good news is that removing one is quick and straightforward once you can see exactly where it is. First, we need to make hidden formatting marks visible so you can spot the section break. In Word, go to the Home tab, then click the Show/Hide button. It looks like a paragraph symbol, the one that resembles a backward P. Turning this on reveals non-printing characters, things like spaces, paragraph marks, and most importantly, section breaks. Once it's enabled, scroll through your document and look for a dotted line that says Section Break. It might say Next Page, Continuous, Even Page, or Odd Page, depending on how it was inserted. If you're having trouble seeing it clearly, try zooming in a bit so the line is easier to select. Now that you can see the break, it's time to remove it. Place your cursor just before the section break line. Make sure it's directly in front of the break text, not above or after it. With the cursor in place, press the Delete key. The line should disappear, and the content after the break will merge into the section before it. A quick heads up on what to expect. Section breaks carry formatting, so when you remove one, Word combines the two sections and uses the formatting from the section that comes after the deleted break. That can affect page orientation, margins, headers, footers, or page numbering. If the layout changes in a way you didn't intend, simply press Undo to revert and consider whether that break is necessary for your formatting. If the change is minor, you can adjust your headers, footers, or page settings afterward to get the look you want. If the break doesn't delete on the first try, double-check that your cursor is immediately before the break line and try again. You can also drag to highlight the section break text and press Delete. Take your time. Precision matters here. When you're finished, you can click the Show/Hide button again to turn off the formatting marks. This puts your document back into its normal, clean view. And that's it. Show the hidden characters, position your cursor just before the section break, and press Delete. With these simple steps, you can take control of your document structure and keep your formatting consistent.